hi! Welcome back to our vegan kitchen. Even vegans like to celebrate the Super Bowl. We love to party!
Yeah, get some.
So, we especially like buffalo sauce. Accidentally vegan. So, what we're going to be making today is a cauliflower buffalo dip.
Yum.
So, it's going to be just as good as a non-vegan one. In fact, it's going to be better because it's going to be healthier. So let's get started. We're going to basically just like do this. And it's going to be delicious. So as you can see, I washed this because it's still dripping. So we're just going to do a little chop, 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 chop. Cut. We'll come back and it's all chopped up. And we're like, what?
Okay. Oh, look at that.
It's all chopped up. All right, so most of it is pretty small. Like you can see, these pretty small pieces. Because what we're going to do is we're going to take half of it, and it's going to be chunky. And the other half is going to be whirred up in the blender with the sauce. So let's take all, so don't worry about if you have big pieces like this because it's going to be chopped up. We're going to pick out the big pieces after it's cooked. So we're going to put all of this in a bowl. Very carefully. Throw that over here. We're going to put probably, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's like a quarter cup of hot sauce. Maybe a little bit more, a little bit less. Does it really matter? No. We're going to toss it. And then I have my brand new cookie sheet over here that I bent so that it would fit in my toaster oven. Because I have a very specific size toaster oven. And we're going to put this on the cookie sheet and we're going to bake it at 375 for about 20 minutes until it's nicely roasted. And then we're going to proceed. Get in my oven. Bye. All right, we're ready to make this happen now. This just came out and I separated it roughly in half. The bigger pieces are going to go in my blender here. I've already got about a cup of this cashew yogurt in there. Really delicious, really good. Make sure the non-dairy yogurt that you use is not vanilla and it's not sweetened. So I would recommend a coconut yogurt or like a nut-based yogurt. Non-sweetened. Non-vanilla, so unflavored, unsweetened. This one is so good. It tastes like a thin sour cream. It's really good. I'm also going to be adding about 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. So let's see. That's 1. That's 2.
Sounds good.
Every time. 1 teaspoon of this beautiful garlic salt. I love this brand. They have the best blends. And oh, it's organic. Not Spawn. Call me if you'd like to have me showcase your products. We're going to also be adding more of the Red Hot in here as well. I'm going to say 1, 2 tablespoons. Also, some Nooch, aka Nutritional Yeast. This is what's going to give us that extra cheesy flavor. So we're going to do 2 tablespoons of that. And we're going to blend this up. Let's get it in there first. Definitely. While we have spatula in hand, we're going to add our chicken pieces to the bowl.
Hello. Oh.
I'm a big mouth. And then so smooth. Smooth as a baby's buttock. So we're going to add our creamy sauce to our cauliflower chicken pieces. We're going to give it a stir, and this is ready to eat just like this. You
Yummy.
It's warm right now, but you could definitely have this cold as well. And this is also not just a great dip, it's a great topping for tacos or baked potatoes, any place you would use like a sour cream situation with chips.
Smells good.
Oh, it does. Give it a stir. Dog's dinner. Oh, I made it nice. I put a little extra buffalo sauce on the top.
So fancy.
Just like when you get the hummus at the store.
And they put the oil.
Yeah. All right, we have some tortilla chips here.
This is exciting. I love this kind of dip.
Me too, because you can eat a lot of it.
Mm-hmm. Let's take a slice.
And I mean, who doesn't like to snack every time?
That's really good.
Oh, yeah.
That cashew cream really makes this.
Yes, absolutely.
Ooh, that's delicious.
It's nice and creamy. You could probably serve that hot if you wanted, but I like it just like that.
My friend makes one every once in a while with like actual raw cashews ground up in there, so it's like a chunkier, and then he bakes it.
Uh-huh.
But this is really nice and smooth. Like, it's something a little different.
Yeah.
This is delish.
You could even...
not too spicy.
Right. If you didn't want to do chips, if you wanted to do, like, crudités.
Yummy. Yeah, veggies.
You could do celery sticks, just like you would have, like, you know, buffalo chicken. You could do this...
okay, stop eating it.
Celery sticks. You could do carrot sticks. You could do pieces of cucumber.
Or just a spoon.
I don't know about that.
Well, thank you all so much for watching. Let us know in the comments what your favorite vegan Super Bowl snacks are.
And let us know who you want to win the Super Bowl.
Rihanna.
Right.
Yeah. So, thank you all for watching. And if you're not already subscribed, subscribe. And until next time, much love.